Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to categorize refunds in QuickBooks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, you might want to find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Categorizing refunds in QuickBooks will give you a lot of benefits because, for one, it can accurately ensure that your financial statements reflect the true financial position of your business. Now, properly categorizing refunds allows you to account for income adjustments and expenses associated with the refund process, providing a clear and accurate picture of your financial performance. Now, categorizing refunds enables you to track expenses related to refunds, such as processing fees or shipping costs incurred to return merchandise. Now, this helps you understand the true cost of issuing refunds and allows you to monitor and manage these expenses effectively. Now, for us to be able to categorize refunds in QuickBooks, you might want to go in the left side panel of your dashboard and hover to New. And from here, all you have to do is click on the credit card credit. All right, click on it. And from here, you can choose a payee because categorizing refunds by vendor allows you to track and analyze your interactions with specific suppliers or service providers. All right, and that's going to be you, the supplier, and you need to choose an account. It's up to you. You can add a new one. If it's already here, just choose it. And you need to choose the payment date. And then for now, we're going to be putting that date. And for the reference number, you can put the reference numbers that you want. And for the tags, you can click on the manage tags right here. You can create your tags, say for example, right here, and you can create your tags. Click on save and exit. And from here, now these are the category of refunds. All right, now that means you can choose the category here. Say, is it gonna be for bad debts, bank charges, commissions and fees, and a lot more? All right, so that way you can categorize the refunds. Now, say for example, for the refund one, it's gonna be for the equipment rental. The second one is gonna be for the dues and subscription. Now the other one is gonna be for commissions and fees, and the fourth one is gonna be like for management compensation. Now, you can provide a detailed description on these categories so that it's going to be easier for customers that would provide valuable insights into the preferences. And by tracking refunds by customer, you can identify patterns in refund requests. All right. And from here, you can put the certain amounts. Say, for example, that's going to be 200, 1,000, 50, 20, or 80. It's up to you. Now, you can also add lines here if you wanted more, or you can clear all lines. Now, you can put a memo, like a short message about the refund. And from here, you can also attach a supplemental information, but be mindful that they only accept a 20 MB limitation on that. All right. And from here, when you properly categorize refunds, you ensure that you report income and expenses accurately for tax purposes. And by categorizing refunds according to IRS guidelines, you can minimize the risk of errors in your tax reporting and ensure compliance and tax regulations. Because categorizing refunds allows you to conduct in-depth financial analysis to identify areas for improvement on optimization. And by analyzing refund data, you can identify opportunities to reduce refund rates, improve product quality, and streamline processes, and of course enhance customer service. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is save and close. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.